friends, I am Kriti, and today we will talk about birds. Birds are different from other animals because most of them can fly in the air. They fly in the air with the help of the wings they have. The wings have feathers attached to them. The feathers which enable the birds to fly are not alike. The feathers are of different types. The feathers that keep the body warm are called down feathers. They are small and fluffy. Body feathers cover the body of a bird. The feathers that help the birds to fly are called flight feathers. They are long and cover the wings and tailbone of the bird. They also help the birds to change the direction while flying high. The skeleton of a bird consists of bones which are hollow and light. This gets filled with air. The muscles of the bird are strong and help in the movement of wings. Birds move their wings up and down while flying. These movements are called upstroke and downstroke movements. There are some birds which are very big in size and heavy in weight. They have wings and strong feet, but they cannot fly at all. Such birds are called flightless birds. For example, ostrich, emu, kiwi, penguin, etc. Amazing fact: the ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It stands 8 feet tall and weighs over 150 kgs. Birds have different types of beaks because they eat different types of food. Beaks also help them to protect themselves from enemy attack. Beaks of the birds of prey like eagle, vulture, owl, etc. are strong, sharp and hooked, which enable them to tear the flesh of the animals. Small birds like sparrow, pigeon and hen have such type of beak which help them to pick up and crush their food. Woodpecker has such type of beak which helps it to peck the bark of the trees. Swallow has this type of beak. It is sticky so that insects get stuck inside when it flies with its mouth open. Long and pointed beak of hummingbird helps it to suck nectar from flowers. Amazing fact: a hummingbird flaps its wings up to 90 times a second or over 5,000 times a minute. Duck has such type of beak which helps it to obtain the food from the mud. Its beak has a lot of strands all around so that only small fish and insects are retained. Parakeet has this type of beak which helps it to pulp off the fruits and to break the nuts.